line at Chick-fil-A getting a salad. I just finished getting my nails done and a pedicure and my eyebrows done. And I am heading to my mom's house because Cole is at his first parents' night out event that our support group is holding. I've never sent him to this. I've actually never sent any of my foster children to this or Cole to this because I just always wanted to keep them with me. But this support group, I've been going since the summer, and so he's used to the daycare workers or the nursery workers, so I went ahead and let him go, and I was able to get my nails done. Now I'm getting some food, and I still have like 45 minutes before I have to get him, so I'm just kind of wasting time and not running all the way home, because by the time I make it home, I'm gonna have to come right back. But I at least got to get my nails done, which, you know, if you're a mom, you know that time is precious. Like, if you can run and get your nails done or get a pedicure independently without a child attached to you, it is a wonderful thing. So we are actually getting ready to go out of town tomorrow, so I need to pack because, of course, like always, we are not packed and ready to go. The house is a mess. It's been a long week, blah 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 blah, you know the deal. And we were going to potty train, but then I remember we were going out of town, so if you saw our shorts, like, we're getting ready to go full on only undies potty training, get it done. And then I was like, oh, we're going out of town, that's not So we're gonna put the potty training on pause. I'm gonna still take his undies and let him wear them because he likes them. He points to them. If you forget his undies in the morning with his pull-up before he goes to daycare, he will let you know. But yeah, so we are just going to probably have a very long night. I was up last night very late editing a video, and then up really early this morning, because just because you go to bed late does not mean you cannot get up early and have your time with the Lord. So I am extremely tired, and I don't know how this is going to work. And when I'm tired before we go out of town, I end up just throwing things in the bag, and it's a hot mess. So pray for me. I am so tired. I just got myself dressed so fast because we were supposed to be at breakfast at 9:30 and we didn't wake up till like 8:30, and I had to like get me dressed, get Cole dressed. I'm so stinking tired, y'all, and we still have a full day today, so yeah, let's go eat. So we are at the wedding venue. I do not know what I look like as far as being all put together, because I literally have 45 minutes to shower, makeup, hair, and get out of the room. Like, that's it, because the venue is 30 minutes away. We got held up, kind of. And then we had to drop off Cole, so it was just a whole hot mess. This whole weekend has been a weekend of rushing, which is why I said in my other vlog that I don't like to vlog, because my life feels so chaotic, because we're constantly like doing so many things at once. So yeah, I had half my makeup done, like my eyes weren't done, lips and all that wasn't done, and half my makeup was done. I kind of just threw my hair back real quick. It's still kind of wet. Like, it's a hot mess. I did my eyeshadow and everything in the car. I didn't have my brushes, so I was using my fingers. Hot mess express. And then I decided on this dress from Amazon. Let's see if I can show y'all. Yeah, so I have to hurry up and get it. I have like 4 minutes to get in my seat. Okay, what else y'all got?
Girl, I ain't got nothing.
Y'all, so it is Tuesday. I am at work. I'm actually like on my lunch break, and I never leave for my lunch break, but today I left because I could feel my agitation level rising, and I'm irritated and tired. So I was like, I need to leave this building because the children are acting like they're brand new today because it's the day after a holiday. Like, they had an extra day, so they don't know routines and procedures. And adults act the same way. And of course, I run my department, so I have like 20 something adults under me, and I'm just like, I need to get away. I think, I swear, like 5 people knocked on my door within like a 30-minute time frame during the class I was teaching, and I was like, the last teacher, teacher, poor thing, she knocked on my door. She was like, hey, so can you tell me about, and I'm like, I got class right now. I will talk to you later. And it came out so quick. I felt so bad. But it's just, you know, when you're tired, your words don't come out as nicely, which is why I was like, I need to leave the building, but it's actually time for me to go in. Anybody that knows that like teacher lunch break 30 minutes is more like 15. So I actually have to be in class in like 2 minutes, and I'm right here by the door. So it's perfect. But yeah, I just wanted to wrap up this vlog and tell y'all, thank y'all for hanging with us. If you like this kind of content, comment down below with a heart, because I kind of enjoyed sharing our time with y'all, even though it feels very chaotic. I am getting more comfortable vlogging, and I'm enjoying it more. And I like to just show different aspects of everything we're interested in during the vlog. So foster update real quick, we don't have any placements, but I did get a call on Friday before we left about a 1-day-old, and I was like, I don't even know how to take leave, maternity leave, to do that, because I would have to, because he was literally a day old. And so I was like, no, I won't be able to do that. Like, if it was summertime, that would have been easier. And then today I got an email about an 18-month-old, but he has some issues that we're dealing with currently with my son, and I really don't want to go backwards. Hitting, biting, fighting, but he's very aggressive. And so I was like, ooh, and my child already got sent home after 2 write-ups for that. So I was like, we probably don't want to introduce those behaviors back into the home, because we're trying to get rid of that. And that would just be ×2 because they're very close in age. So I was like, So yeah, we're still no placements, and I don't know how this is gonna work with me getting a new placement, because I'm very leery about what behaviors I let come in, because I'm alone and my son picks up everything, which is why I would prefer a baby. But then I'm realizing babies are hard to get into daycare while I'm working, and then a lot of them are newborns, which I cannot keep unless I take maternity leave. So yeah, that is something I definitely have to reconsider with the age that I've decided to take. But yeah, that's our foster care update, life updates, everything. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.